Hey guys, what's going on? Hippie here. Oh Lord, I know it's been a while. Real life, right? So, anyways, I got two amazing brand new locks. Well, new to me. They don't have keys, but first one is the American Lock Company Series 3560 SFIC with an arrow core, and this thing is beautiful. Really like it. Yeah, it's a little chewed up and all that good stuff, but it will definitely fit right in with the rest of my American locks. I am not yet to the level of Keybeard. He is the rightful American lock historian that I go to, which, excuse me, he then pointed out that Master Lock has their very own, the Master Lock number 532 SFIC. And yeah, so I just got these guys in. I've picked them. So I wanted to play around for just a second to actually make sure that I wasn't as rusty as I think that I am, which I'm completely and terribly rusty. I managed to get them both to their picked open shear line. SFICs are kind of elusive to me still, so I still have to try to find the other shear line on these guys. But anyways, let's see if we can do this Master Lock 532. Get it on camera. Here's to hoping that I can. Like I said, I'm not completely oblivious to the fact that I haven't picked a lock in a hot minute. Yeah, I just picked them open to their shear lines or whatever, but that doesn't mean shit. So, all right, let's see what kind of damage we can do here, guys. As I'm completely blocking all of you. So I don't know if that's an actual spool or what the case may be there. Come on. I've got to use my thinner profile on my multi-pick set, so I've got to be kind of gentle with everything too. Where to go? There it is. I was going to say, that's when I started having to get pretty forceful with some of the pins. It makes you really nervous whenever you're dealing with a pick that is that flimsy. But anyways, that is the Master Lock number 532. picked and opened. Get to add this to my Master Lock collection. Super excited about that as well. And I get to add this guy right here. I'll pick him in another video. I just wanted to get one of them picked. Master Lock's always the easy one to gang up on. Judging by, I don't really know when these guys got bought out, right, by Master Lock. So I'm curious to know when the logo style changed or when the body style started to change, if that's a dead giveaway for when they were bought out by Master Lock. These two are really, really similar. So I don't know. Maybe it's a lot closer than I think. Maybe that is after it got bought out and all that good stuff, which would kind of suck because, yeah, I don't know. I don't know whether or not it actually would suck. But anyways, that's all I got for you guys on this one. I'm completely rambling because, one, just got off work. 2, I'm enjoying myself. And 3, I got 2 brand new locks. And I'm excited about sharing them with you guys. And I'm excited about getting into the flow of everything again and trying to pick some locks with you guys. So anyways, all right, done rambling. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.